Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. My name is Cal Friedman, and today we're going to learn about magic squares. Now, you see, magic squares are a special type of matrix, and there are actually a couple of variations. To begin, let's talk about regular magic squares. Take a look at this matrix. Notice anything about it? If you add up every column, row, and diagonal, you get the same number, 15. That's what makes a regular magic square. Well, magic. Now you may be wondering, how can I get one of these magical squares? Well, look it up on Google. But if you want to know how to build your own, well, here's a way. First of all, there are many methods of constructing magic squares, and this is but one method, which can be used to make a magic square of any odd order. To begin, you take an empty matrix, like this, but empty, and then rotate it so it's a diamond. Then write the numbers 1 through n, n being the number of rows in your matrix, squared and squared, in that diamond matrix. And here's what it should look like for a 5 by 5 matrix. Next, notice how this diamond contains a 5 by 5 square? Well, you need to fill up the empty spaces in that square by moving the numbers outside of it into it, like so. And once you've done that, you have a finished magic square! There are other types of magic squares. Let's talk about magic matrices. Yes, magic matrices. Magic matrices are the name for another variant of magic squares. Here's an example. Can you spot what makes it magic? No, you can't. You see, it's a bit more complicated. Let's start by picking a number in the matrix, and then crossing out the row and column it's in. Then we pick another number that isn't crossed out, and again, until only one is left. Now, if we add all those numbers together, we get 77. But the same would happen if we were to pick any 5 numbers using the same process. Obviously, magic matrices are great for magic tricks. If you want to try it out, let's see how you make one. It's fairly simple. You pick 2 sets of n numbers, n, again, being the order of your matrix, the number of rows. Those 2 sets, when added all together, equal the number you desire. You then line up one set on top of an entry matrix, and one along the side. And to fill in the matrix, you write the sum of the numbers above and to the side of each box, like so. And there you have it. Now you know of the magic of matrices. Now go away.